Model, 2017 VAUXHALL Vivaro L2 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 120PS H1 van body, white, panel van mileage, 120628 MOT, 13 February 2024 engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine partially stripped looks like timing chain has been replaced recently but engine needs further to repair. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,295. Click the link in